Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel, and obviously today I'm going to share one thing that it would be helpful for you, and actually that is how to take a screenshot of your screen, of your document, of your file, of your software, etc. So it's very simple. For that, what I just want to show you keyboard. On a keyboard, on a keyboard one key we can see there, and that key is print screen here. So in some keyboard we can see print prtScn, and somewhere we can also see there prtScsYSRQ, print screen system request. We have to press this one to capture our desktop, or we can say software. So let's go through example to understand that. Just suppose I want to uh, take screenshot of this desktop screen. For that, nothing more I have to do there. Just I'm going to press that print screen system request. I press that, and suppose I want to paste somewhere. If I want to paste in that MS Word, then I'm going to open that.
No, finished.
So let's create a new document here. New document created, and just if you want to paste that captured part, nothing more we have to do there. Just you press Ctrl V. We can see here our that captured picture, it is pasted here. So this is how you can take a screenshot of everything. Like suppose if you want to take a screenshot of this MS Word, if you want to take, nothing more you have to do there. Just you press print screen system request and press Ctrl V. We can see here. So it's very simple to take a screenshot. We can use this screenshot in either in MS Word, in PowerPoint, Excel, in any software we can use very easily. It's very simple. But one thing is there, actually once you capture that, actually it don't get stored somewhere. After doing Control V or the pasting, then actually it gets pasted there. If you don't do that, then it don't get pasted there. It means it is not stored anywhere in your computer. And now just I'm going to open a PowerPoint. In PowerPoint also you can capture the picture in same way. Nothing more we have to do there. Like here is, if I want to paste it, Control V. So paste it. It's very simple. Nothing more we have to do here. So guys, I think you understood there how to take a screenshot of our computer, software, Windows, etc. I hope that you understood that, you like that. So just don't forget to subscribe my channel, and just wait for next uh, trick, or we can say hack, we can do in our computer very easily. Till then, take care and goodbye.